Hello, today I want to introduce the power outlet, this one. This the name of this gadget is Power Strip Tower. This one is looks like this, $27.99. The reason I like this one is this tower power outlet is connected to LED light. This one, so the switch of this light is all the way bottom, so that's impossible to over there. It's impossible to shut down, and I cannot touch the button. But the, this power tower makes it possible. See, this one is the button. So when I click the button, see the light is on. When I click the button again, it turn off. So basically that's the perfect for me. So I like this one. So you can buy the same thing. It's very cheap and it's very efficient. This one already has the USB here, the USB port. This one you also has the switch like this. This is switch. Yeah, I love it. Very efficient, very efficient. I 100% strongly recommend you to buy this one, and it's gonna make your life much easier. Thank you, bye bye.